Okay, I'm going to give you 5 top tips to create amazing photo hair collections. Tip number 1, be prepared. Make sure you have a mood board using Pinterest or a physical mood board so that your inspirations can be shared with other people when you're collaborating. Tip number 2, choose your models wisely. Just because the guy who comes into your shop who's got nice hair and is a little bit handsome doesn't mean that he's going to be the best model. He might not be able to perform in front of the camera. And it's pointless you organising all of these people and spending all this time till the moment comes when the photographer wants to press the button and the model can't perform in front of the camera how you want him to. Tip number 3, DM. Contact people, get in touch with people through Instagram, Facebook or Snapchat, and get in touch with people to ask them to collaborate with you. Offer value forward, offer something for them, offer them free images, time for prints, stuff like that. But DM, that's what's going to get you to be able to collaborate with people at a low cost. Tip number 4, be prepared. Make sure that you take everything with you on the day, even 2 of them, because lo and behold, one of them's going to break at the most essential point. So be prepared. Tip number 5, have fun while you create and collaborate. It's really important that you enjoy this process and that you find it fun, because believe me, when you're on set and you're creating and you're really getting into your zone, it's a fantastic feeling, as it is when you're working with all the other creative people too.